If you're over 40 and think you need to choose between learning digital marketing or AI, you're about to make a career mistake that could cost you $75,000. This is happening right now across the US, UK, Canada, and Europe. And I'll show you how to avoid it, just like Sarah from Manchester, who landed a $95,000 role at 47. Every day, you're bombarded with conflicting advice. LinkedIn influencers scream, AI will replace digital marketers, while job postings still demand digital marketing experience. You're probably thinking, should I learn Google Ads or ChatGPT? Facebook campaigns or AI automation? Is it too late for me to catch up? Here's the brutal truth. While you're stuck in this false choice, companies across the US, UK, Canada, and Europe are hiring integrated professionals at salaries you didn't think were possible at our age. Here's what career coaches won't tell you. The highest paid marketing roles in 2025 aren't digital marketing or AI specialist jobs. They're integrated roles paying $75,000 to $120,000 in Western markets, and they want both skill sets. Think about it. When you send an email campaign through MailChimp, AI is already optimizing send times. When you run Facebook ads, AI is handling audience targeting. When you analyze website traffic in Google Analytics, AI provides insights. The integration already happened. You're not choosing between digital marketing and AI, you're choosing between being relevant or being left behind. I analyzed 500 job postings across the US, UK, Canada, and Europe last month. Here's what I found. Digital marketing manager roles requiring AI skills. Average salary, $85,000. AI marketing specialist roles requiring traditional marketing. Average salary, $92,000. Marketing automation manager, combining both. Average salary, $105,000. Sarah, a 47-year-old from Manchester, understood this. Instead of choosing sides, she spent 90 days learning how AI enhances digital marketing. Result? She landed a marketing automation role at $95,000, $30,000 more than her previous job. Companies aren't looking for AI experts who can't run a campaign, or digital marketers who fear new tools. They want strategic thinkers who can leverage both. Want to see exactly which integrated skills are in highest demand? I've created a free Western job market report showing the top 15 roles, salary ranges for US, UK, Canadian, and European markets, and the exact skill combinations companies are paying a premium for. Link in the description. No email required. Next Wednesday, I'm revealing the 3 industries that are quietly hiring 40-plus professionals for these integrated roles at record rates. The reason will shock you. It's not despite your age, it's because of it. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you next Wednesday. And if you're ready to stop making this $75,000 mistake, check out my complete guide to digital marketing career change after 40. It's your roadmap to getting started today. Video link in the description.